Okay. Okay, let's first discuss the question which Divesh is saying. Divesh is saying a question which was given in the homework that Nathan could pack 25 boxes in 2 hours. Is it? I'm just writing the statement of the question. And how many boxes? For how many I'm taking X? So how many boxes can he pack in
8 hours?
8 hours. This was the question. Okay. So you did with unitary method. See, with unitary method, first I'll show you.
Ma'am, I got the answer of unitary method.
Okay. See, I'll show you with both methods. With unitary method, in 2 hours, he's packing.
He's packing 25 boxes in 2 hours.
So, okay. 25 boxes he's packing in 2 hours. Okay. I'm just writing here. So that means 1 box he will be packing in 2 by 24 hours. Is that?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. And X number of boxes. Oh, X. No, leave it. I've taken it other way. Just a second.
And we should find in 1 hour how many
boxes. Wait. We should take 8 hours this side.
It's 2 by 25, 25 by 2.
Okay, 2 hours. In 2 hours, he's packing 25 boxes. So that means in 1 hour, he is packing 25 by 2. This many boxes. That means in 8 hours, he's packing 25 by 2 into 8, which is equal to 2 and 4 goes, which is 100.
100 boxes.
Okay, that means in 8 hours, he's packing 100 boxes.
And I got the same answer.
Yes. Now, if I have to do with proportion method, okay, what will I do here? See, 25 boxes is packing in 2 hours. Okay, I'm first taking the ratio of boxes here and ratio of hours here. So 25 boxes, 2 hours. Then X number of boxes in 8 hours.
8 hours.
So I've taken this ratio. Now I will cross multiply.
So we should do cross multiply.
Yes. So this becomes 25 into 8, which is equal to 2 into X. Okay. To find the value of X, 2 is multiplying this side. When it goes on the other side, it divides. So this is 4. So same way you get 100 boxes. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, understood? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Shall we move further in the exercise?
Yes, ma'am.
See now, children, you all know now how to use proportion method, unitary method. Okay.
Yeah,
now, since this exercise is in your book, this exercise is only based on unitary method. So only for the class time, you can do these sums with unitary method. But after the class, for your practice, you must try these questions with proportion method. Are you getting me?
Yes, ma'am, we are getting it.
Okay, because if we try with both methods, each and every question, it will take a lot of time. So you must also practice something yourself. It's not that teacher will show you everything. Teacher will do each and every sum for you.
Ma'am, can we do like first question unitary and second question proportion like that?
Oh, in between we can do. Some with unitary, some with the proportion.
But like, if we do the first question in unitary and second one in proportion, we'll not get the first one in proportion method and second one in unitary method.
That you can try later on after the class. Okay, we'll do with one method. We'll do with one method here. We'll do with all questions with unitary method so that you know that you have to do with proportion method later on. Okay.
Ma'am, or else we'll do with the proportion method, ma'am, because some people have doubt.
No, not with proportion, because the exercise is first based on unitary method. So we must first do with unitary method.
Okay, ma'am.
Although I have taught you these questions with both methods. Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
right?
Right, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let's begin question number 3. Let's see. We missed this question yesterday. No, we didn't do. If it has rained say 276 millimeter in the last 3 days, how many centimeter of rain will fall in one full week? That means in 7 days, how much will the rain fall? Assume that the rain continues to fall at the same rate. Rain is falling at the same rate.
Ma'am,
It's not that
93.
sometimes it's raining less, sometimes more, not like that. At the same rate. So what will
93
you
per
do?
93 per a day.
93?
92.
No, I'm not asking the direct answer. You must have got the correct answer, but the method of doing. So if it has rained 276 millimeter in 3 days, that means in 3 days it's raining this much. So you will find out for 1 day first, how much it rained in 1 day. Yes, Sritesh?
Ma'am, first we have
Yes,
to
ma'am.
convert the millimeters into centimeters.
Oh, yes. They have asked us how many centimeter. Or later on we can do. See, they are asking
Yes,
enough.
ma'am. After all the calculation, it will be easier to do.
Exactly. That's the last step. They are asking us in centimeters. So whatever we get in millimeters, we will convert it to centimeters. Okay. So in 1 day, how much rain is falling? 276 millimeter.
Yes. Ma'am,
Oh,
in 3
not
days,
3
ma'am.
days. In 1 day, it is falling 276 by 3 millimeters.
Yes, ma'am.
So what do you
Ma'am,
get?
92.
92 millimeters. And
But now we
so
should do
asking
multiply
92
by-
multiplied by 7.
so in 7 days, how much rain you will get? 92 into
92
7
into 7.
Ma'am, 644 millimeters.
millimeters. Now this millimeters can be converted to centimeters. Why we
It
need
will
to
be
convert this?
64.4 centimeters
Yes, ma'am.
because they asked in centimeters.
Yes, because in the question they have asked the answer in centimeters. So we will convert it to centimeters. How many
Divided by
millimeters?
10.
So 10 millimeters make 1 centimeter.
Yes, ma'am.
That is 64.4 centimeters. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Understood, ma'am.
Sritesh, understood?
Yes, ma'am.
644 divided by 10, we get 64.4
4.4.
centimeters. Ashwath, understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Who else is there? Hridesh? Hridesh is there? Adrit,
Ma'am, no, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Hridesh? Hridesh?
Ma'am,
Yes,
ma'am,
ma'am.
Ma'am, Hridesh is not there.
Yes, ma'am.
So why you are not saying? Did you understand the question?
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay. You must respond and please put on your video, Hridesh.
Yes, ma'am.
Put it on. Adrit, put on your video. Yes, videos should not get off. Okay. Now see the next question. We had done the 4th one. 3rd one is done. Let's see the 5th one. The temperature dropped 15 degrees Celsius in the last 30 days. If the rate of
15.
temperature drop, yes, it dropped 15 degrees in 30 days. Okay, in the last 30 days, it dropped 15 degrees.
15
If the rate
degrees.
of
Ma'am,
temperature,
it's
yes,
minus 15. If the temperature is 0, it went minus 15 or plus 15.
it minus 15, it dropped, is saying the temperature
ma'am.
dropped. So if it was 30, it dropped to 15. If it was 15, it dropped to 0. If it was 0, it dropped to minus
Minus
15.
15.
Okay. Okay. Whatever it was, it dropped to
Yes, ma'am.
15 degrees Celsius in last 30 days. If the rate of temperature drop remains the same, now
Ma'am,
rate of
so we
temperature
need to know the value how much it dropped in 1 day.
How many degrees will the temperature drop in the next 10 days? Now they are asking us how much it will drop in next 10 days, in the coming next 10 days. Okay, so what will you do? You will find the rate of, with what rate it is dropping first. You know?
Yes,
So in
ma'am.
30 days it dropped 15. So in one day, how much
In
it
one,
will drop?
ma'am, equals to 30 divided by 50 equals to 2 degree.
Okay. Okay, so that is 30 divided by 15.
2 degree, ma'am.
Equals to 2 degree.
Okay, 2 degrees. And then for 10 days you will find out.
For 10, ma'am, for 10 days,
When,
20, ma'am, 20.
Wait.
ma'am, it will not be 20 because for 30 days it was 15.
Ma'am, I think the answer number of degrees dropped a day may come in
In
decimal.
30 days it dropped 15 degrees. In one day it dropped 15 by 30 degrees. Okay? Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
In 30 days it dropped 15 degrees. In one day it dropped 15 by 30 degrees. So in next 10 days, how much it will drop? That is 15 by 30 into 10.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So
10
10,
ones are 10
that's
threes are.
30.
10 wonders and
3
10
ones are 3
threes are.
fives are.
3 ones, 3 fives are. Okay.
Five.
So that means in 10 days,
5
it will
degrees are going to.
5 degrees. Okay. This is degrees. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, if you had to do the same question in the proportion method, can you do?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you do?
I'm just like how
Yes,
you
ma'am.
did in that way, but a small
Yes.
changes.
Yes, same.
Ma'am,
Yes.
can you explain once again?
Okay, I'll explain once again. See here, let me show you on the other page. Okay, see here, it's saying in 30 days, the temperature dropped to 15 degrees. Okay, the temperature dropped 15 degrees. Okay, now for one day, how much did the temperature drop? That means 15 by.
Ma'am, I got the answer in proportion it's saying.
Okay, very good. So that means in one day, how much did the temperature drop? 15 by 30. Okay, 15 by 30 I can write as 1 by 2 degree also. Is okay. And
Yes,
the
ma'am.
question is asking how much will the temperature drop in the next 10 days? So next 10 days means every day the temperature is dropping by 1 by 2 degrees. So that means in 10 days it will drop by 1 by 2 into 10, which is equal to 5 degrees. Okay. Okay, got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Let's. Now, if you have to find the same question with the proportion method, what will you do? Same day, 30
Ma'am,
days.
same, ma'am. 30 days, 15 degrees Celsius.
Yes.
One day,
Because
one
one side
day
you are
equals
taking,
to-
one side you are taking the
Ma'am, so-
temperature, and one
Ma'am,
side you are
so-
taking the days. So 15 degrees.
So 30 days and x degrees will be 10 days.
Yes. X degrees will be 10 days, and we'll find the ratio.
Now we
of-
should cross multiply.
Yes, we should cross multiply. So this is
30x equals to 15 into 10 and x equals to 15 into 10 by 30.
very nice. Who is this?
Ma'am,
Divyesh.
Divyesh.
Huh? Who is this?
Ma'am, Divyesh.
Divesh. Very good. Divesh.
Ma'am, 10 ones are 10, 10 threes are 30.
3 ones are 3 fives are is 15. This is 5. Okay. We got the
Okay,
same
ma'am.
thing with the proportion method also. Are you
Yes,
understanding?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Adrit, you understood?
Ma'am, actually proportion method is easier than unitary method.
Ma'am, I'm not getting from the cross.
power cut, so can you explain it again?
Who is asking?
I'm Adrit.
Okay. Adrit, your video was off. If you are not listening and you are telling me to explain again and again, and you are not listening, your video is off. So do you think you are doing good work? Why are you putting off your video? Try to listen. I don't know, you're putting off the video whether you are there or not. How do I come to know? Okay. And suddenly you will come and you will tell me, ma'am, explain again. Okay, that's not a problem. I'll explain again. But did you listen to the first explanation which I explained? Your video was off. Okay. Your video must not go off. Okay. I'll explain you again. See, the question is asking in 30 days the temperature dropped 15 degrees. Okay, Celsius. So by unitary method, if I have to find out, I will first find out for 1 day, that in 1 day how much the temperature dropped, that is 15 by 30. You understood this much step? Did you understand this much?
Yes, ma'am.
How do we find for 1 day?
Yes.
Okay, so 15 by 30 will be 1 by 2, 15 ones are 15, 15 twos is 30, so that's 1 by 2 degrees. That means in 1 day, the temperature is dropping 1 by 2 degrees. Okay? Okay, understood?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. And so next, in the next 10 days, how much the temperature will drop? That means 1 by 2. That means the temperature that dropped in 1 day multiplied by 10. That will give you the rate of temperature that will drop in the coming next 10 days. Understood?
Understood, ma'am.
Okay. Yes, Adrit?
Okay, ma'am.
Did you understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Ridesh, got it?
Yeah, ma'am, I got it.
Okay. Now, same thing I was telling you. This was the unitary method. Now, same thing I was telling you with proportional method. Same thing. Same question. That 15 degrees temperature dropped in 30 days. And how much will the temperature drop in 10 days? Okay, so what I have taken, one side I have taken the ratio of temperature. On the other side, I have taken the ratio of days. And then I will cross multiply it. Okay, and when I cross multiply, I will get 15 into 10 this side. And this side I will get 30 into x. From here I can find my value of x. Okay, which I get 5 degrees. So in both cases, the answer is coming the same. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Did you understand the proportion way also?
Yes, ma'am. Clear.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. Moving to another question now. Okay. See question number 6. China pays rupees 15,000 as rent for 3 months. Now this is a rent paid by China for 3 months. How much does she has to pay for a whole year? For the whole year, how much will the
Ma'am,
rent
is
she
it
will
a normal year or a leap year?
Ma'am, we should,
pay? Nothing is said over here. In this
ma'am, we
question,
should find that
take
how
it
much she
normally.
earns in 1
Well,
month.
Now
we
one
should-
month. Now 1 month she pays. She in 1 month she pays 5,000, ma'am, per month.
Okay, we'll see now.
Per month she pays 5,000. So now we should do
And
5,000 into 12 to
12,
get how
which is
much she
60.
pays for a year.
Okay, okay. Let me explain to others also. See, leap year or non-leap year won't make any difference. It's saying the rent for 1 month. Every month has either 30 days or 31 days, or once in a 1 month has 28 days. Okay, so that thing is not making any difference. We are only looking for the month. Either it is 31 days month or 30 days month. So rent for 1 month is 15,000. For the whole year that means for 12 months we need to find the rent. If the rent per month remains the same, so every month the rent is same. Okay. So what we will do first, we will find the rent for 1 month. Okay, and then we will
Okay.
multiply with 12. Others, please, everyone do it in your notebooks. Do it with unitary method.
Ma'am, I did it, ma'am.
Okay, I want to see Adrit's notebook, Ridesh's notebook. Do it and show me. Ashwath also, bachche do it.
Ma'am, over, ma'am. Ma'am, can you see my screen?
Yes, I can see your screen. Why Adrit's video has gone off? Ridesh, are you doing?
Teacher,
Yes.
teacher, it's
Yes.
teacher, I'm not able to get it, teacher.
See, they have told you for 3 months, the rent is rupees 15,000 for 3 months. So, can you find it for 1 month? For 1 month, what will be the rent?
We'll divide it, teacher.
Huh?
We'll divide it.
Divide with what?
3.
What will you do?
Divide with 3.
Divide by 3. Okay, do it. Do it in your notebook.
Then I'm doing roughly.
Do it wherever you are doing. You must make a notebook for maths. Don't
have.
do papers in
Can
every
I say
class
my
you are
answer?
showing me the paper. Yes, Divesh, good. I can see Divesh's
Ma'am, is it
notebook.
60,000 rupees?
Hmm.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, I got the same
60,000.
answer.
Okay, good. It's coming 60,000. Yes. Yes, good, Sritej. Good, good. I got it.
Ma'am, may Rishit?
Yes, Rishit, I can't see your video. Yes, Rishit. Oh, Rishit. Okay, done. Good. Good, Rishit.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
I want to see
50,000 divided by
Ridesh.
3.
I want to see
3 1
Ridesh.
3, 3 2 6 3 3 and 3 12
Ridesh,
15.
Yes, who's this? I want to see Adrit's work and Ridesh's.
Teacher,
Please mute. Who's this?
teacher,
Yes,
50,000
50,000. How did you get that?
by dividing
Dividing what?
the 3 by 15.
Show me your notebook. Put on your video. Show me your notebook.
Teacher, my video is on.
What?
My video is on.
Your video is on. I can see.
1 minute.
1 second.
Ma'am, we can see his video.
Wait. Okay, you have divided 15,000 by 3. So you got what answer you got when you
Teacher,
divide by
3 5s are 15.
3 5s. So what did you get for 1 day's rent is 1 month's rent is what?
1 month again we have to divide it. 50,000 with 30 we have to divide.
No, dear, you have done 50. You have divided this. I saw in your notebook you have done 15,000 divided by 3. You have done this. What quotient did you get here? This I am asking you.
I got the question 50,000.
50,000. When you divide 15,000 by 3,
Ma'am, actually it's bigger than divider.
Yeah,
yes.
ma'am.
How can you get that? How did you divide this?
3. Teacher, 15,000 divided by 3 I did.
How do you divide?
Teacher, point 1. We write 15,000.
How do you divide?
Teacher, divided by 3 I am telling teacher. 3
So,
3 5s are
3 5s. I will write 5 here. Okay, 5. Then
Then write down 15.
here.
Yeah. 0.
Okay. 0 where?
Down of them.
What will I do? Plus? Multiply? Divide?
You should do plus.
Plus
Sorry,
here?
minus. Minus.
Minus? Okay, minus. Then
Then 0, 0.
0, 0. Then
Add extra 0 up.
how many extra zeros?
One more extra 0 is also.
How many?
Total 4 extra zeros.
Okay, this is one extra 0. This is another extra 0. This is another. And from where will I get another extra 0?
Which is the other one?
Which one?
Which one we divided
See,
15?
2 zeros I've already got. When I subtracted 15 minus 15, I got 2 zeros here. Okay. Then you told me to put 4 extra zeros. One I got it from here. Second one I got it from here. Third one I got it from here. From where will I get my fourth zero?
Oh, I did wrong.
What did you get here? So what will I write here?
You should
This
write
much is
5,000. You should write 5,000.
Huh. So this was one thing that I was asking. This was just a one word answer that ma'am, when you divide 15,000 by 3, you get 5,000.
Done, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Adrit, I'll see yours also. Just a second. I'll see. So
We got 5,000 again. We should. I
now
think so.
5,000 is the rent for how many months?
1 month.
1 month. Now how will you find the rent for what is it saying? 12 months. How will you find the rent for 12 months?
Multiply it 550 if we have 5,000 into 12.
5,000
60,000. Direct 60,000. 12 by the 60, 60 and extra 3 zeros. 60,000.
Extra 3 zeros. Okay, this many rupees. Okay, so how did you get 50,000? You were saying 50,000 I got.
It was a mistake, teacher.
Okay, now you understood this? Now did you understand, Radesh? Okay, now Adrit,
Yes, ma'am.
Adrit, you show me your work.
Ma'am.
Okay. Bring it more closer. Okay. What have you multiplied here? So big. Okay,
into
from
12.
5,000 by 12. Okay, you have multiplied so big. Okay. You don't need to do multiply so big, such a long multiplication. Just multiply the numbers. 12 into 5. 12 into 5 is 60. And then put whatever
Extra zero.
whatever zeros are there extra with both the numbers. You must put them. Okay, you don't need to multiply the whole thing.
Okay, ma'am.
Huh. Okay. Okay, let's see the next question. Hello? Can you
Yes, ma'am.
hear?
Yes.
Okay, let's see the next question. Question number 7.
Okay, ma'am.
Cost of 4 dozen banana. Now you will do all the rest of the questions with unitary method. Okay. Then proportion method you can try later on. Okay. Cost of 4 dozen bananas is rupees 180. How many bananas can be purchased
Ma'am,
for
direct
rupees
answer 2, ma'am.
90? Okay. But in your exam, when you are getting such questions,
Ma'am, 2 dozen.
Yes, ma'am.
yes, you cannot write direct question. Okay, you
Yes,
have to
ma'am.
show
Ma'am,
find with
by
unitary
seeing
method.
the question itself, like I did it roughly in my notebook. So,
Ma'am, I think it should be multiple choice question.
Okay, that's nice of you, but others must please do it in your notebook and quickly tell me the answer.
ma'am, I did it in this way, ma'am. 90 plus 90, 180 and 2 plus 2, 4. If I
That's
have...
nice.
yes, ma'am.
Yes, that's nice of you. That's good thing that you have done. Good. Let others also do.
Ma'am, me too.
Okay.
Great, Mitchell.
Ma'am, what question?
Question number 7. Okay, done.
Yes, ma'am.
Cost of food is in bananas. Others, Ashwath, Ridesh, Adrit. Show me your notebooks. Where is Ritesh?
Ma'am, 1 minute. Ma'am, should I show?
Yes, show. Okay, what answer you got, Ritesh?
Ma'am, 24 bananas.
24 bananas. Is that correct? Rishit, Divesh, is that correct? Did you get the same answer?
Yes, ma'am. I got the
Yes,
same.
ma'am, I got.
2 dozen is
24
equals to
bananas
24.
is same as 2
Oh.
dozen.
Okay.
Teacher, I also got
What answer you got?
24.
54 what?
No, 24.
24. Okay. How did you do that?
Teacher, what I have done, the cost of food is 180. What's this such? What can be? Sorry, how many bananas can be purchased for rupees 90? So what I have done that 180 divided by 4. Again after that, the answer I multiplied by 90.
Okay, good. Okay, let's move on to next question. The weight
Ma'am, I
of...
got 2
Teacher,
dozen.
next question I am doing it.
Yes, Adrit, you are saying something?
Ma'am, I got the answer as 24 bananas.
Yes, good. Do the next question, question number 8. The weight of 72 books is 9 kgs. What is the weight of 40 such books? Quickly now you have done so many questions. Your speed must be quick now.
Teacher, 40 kilo.
40 kg?
Sorry. Yeah.
No, it's asking what is the weight of 40 such books? 40 books are weighing 40 kgs.
1 minute, sorry. Teacher, weight of 72 books is 9 kilo.
Do it in your notebooks. Don't just guess the answer. Do it in your notebooks. Find one book first, then multiply by 40.
Teacher,
Ma'am, I got the answer.
Okay. Don't tell your answer. Don't tell your answer now until I ask you.
Ma'am,
You
can you see
show
my
your notebooks.
screen?
Okay, those who have done can show the notebooks, but don't speak out your answers. Let others also do. Yes, good, Sritej. Why Adrit's video is off? Yes, Soumya is doing. Soumya, are you there? Hello, Soumya. Ashwath. Why the videos are off?
I'm getting confused.
Where are you getting confused?
Ma'am, in that, what is the weight of 40 such books? From there, ma'am.
Okay, now see here, 72 books are weighing 9 kg. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So one cost of weight of one book will be 9 by 72 kgs.
Yes, ma'am.
9 by 72 can be written as 9 ones are and 9 eights are 72, 1 by 8. Now call weight of 40 such books. So 40 such
Ma'am,
books
1 by
will be
8 into 40.
into 40.
8 ones are 8 5s are.
5, sir. So that's 5 kg.
Ma'am, I got the answer.
Ma'am, I got the answer as 5, but I thought no, it should not be 5, ma'am.
Ma'am, I got the answer.
Yeah, who got the answer? Soumya is saying.
No, ma'am, Ashwat.
Someone's
Okay.
mic is
Ashwin,
not
why
working.
your
It seems.
video is off? Okay, 5 kgs. Yes, good, Divesh. Good. Yes, I got it. I can see your work.
Ma'am, can you see me now?
And can you see
Yes,
my?
I can see. Yes, I can see Ridesh's work. Ridesh, but please do it in a proper manner with statements. Okay? Because
Okay, ma'am.
unitary method questions, whenever you get to do in your exam or your test, weekly test, you will always have to do with the statement.
Yes, sir. Ma'am, like
Ma'am,
I
we
used to write it in a statement form, but so I got confused. So I thought first to say I'll do in rough work. So afterwards I'll write the
Okay.
statement.
Okay. Okay.
I
Adrit,
got
done?
the answer as 5.
Ma'am, we divide 70, like 9 by 72 or 72 by 9?
9 by 72. See, when you are finding
Okay,
the
ma'am.
big,
The answer is 320 kgs.
no. Who is this? Who's saying this? Who is asking? Adrit? No, beta. Answer is 5 kgs. Answer is 5 kgs. Look here. See, I have shown you here 72 books are weighing 9 kg. So one book is weighing 9 by 72. That means 1 by 8 kgs. Okay. And 40 books will weigh 1 by 8. Weight of one book into number of books. 1 by 8 into 40, which is equal to 5 kgs. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
If you know the way, see, when you go to the sabji vendor or fruit vendor, if you ask for one banana, if the shopkeeper says one banana cost me 5 rupees, so how will you buy 5 bananas? What will you do if
Ma'am,
one banana is
multiply
costing
5
one banana is costing you
Ma'am,
5
5
rupees?
into 5
5
equals to 25 rupees.
Yes, so 5 bananas will cost 5 into 5, which is equal to 25. So same thing we
Yes,
do.
ma'am.
We find the cost of one thing first. So cost of one, weight of one
Okay, ma'am.
notebook is this much. Okay. Then to find weight of 40 notebooks, we just multiply with 40. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Ridesh,
Okay,
you
ma'am.
got it? Ridesh is there. Understood? Okay. Now see the next question. A truck requires 108 liters of diesel for covering a distance of 594 kilometers. How much diesel will be required by the truck to cover a distance of 16.5 kilometers? Do this. 108 liters diesel is required for 594 kilometers. Okay. So this is asking you how much diesel. It's asking, that means in 1 liter, how much the truck will cover the distance? In 108 liters, the truck is covering 594 kilometers. Okay. That means this is 108 liters. So in 1 liter, how much will the truck cover? That is 594 divided by 108. Okay. But it's okay. No. Do it the other way. We are asked to find the liters. We are asked to find the amount of diesel that is in. So what we will do in 5, you will do it other way. You will do it like this. 594. Take 594 this side. Okay. So that you don't get confused. Okay, so that means in 594 kilometers are covered in 108 liters. That means 1 kilometer distance is covered in 108 by 594. and 16.5 kilometer distance will be covered in how many kilometer, in how much diesel, that you have to find. Okay, so you find that will be 108 by 594 into 16.5.
I mean 16.50 or 1650.
I don't know, I think it's, to me it's showing like this, 16.5.
But there is no decimal point.
No decimal, okay, I don't know why I can see such decimal. Okay, even if it is not, no decimal, remove the decimal, get 1650.
Ma'am,
Remove the
like
decimal.
they made the edge of the 5 dark, ma'am. So it's looking like a point, decimal point.
Maybe. Okay, so method is the same. Okay, do this.
Okay, ma'am.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes.
Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you. Who is this?
Ma'am, Sritej, I have network issues.
Okay, yes, Ritesh, what happened?
Ma'am, I have network issues, so I was just checking with you if you can hear me.
Okay, I can hear you, Vijay.
Okay.
Ma'am, how did you got 16.5?
It's not 16.5, it's 1650. Okay, it's 1650. There is no point. There is no point here. It's 5 only.
Ma'am, I'm telling before that 16.5. Arrow mark is there. 16.
This one,
Yes,
nothing
ma'am.
is there. This is also 5. There is no decimal. It looked as if there is decimal, but there is no decimal.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, now the question is saying it ran 594 kilometers in 108 liters of diesel. Okay, that means to run 1 kilometer, how much diesel is required? 108 by 594.
594.
Okay, this many liters. So you will just simplify it to lower form. What do you get the lower form of this? If the both are even numbers, you can just, reduce it to a lowest form.
And if
I
I divide
it
it by
with
2, I got 54 by 297.
Yes, 2 and then
297.
97. Okay, 297.
Ma'am, the simplest form is 2 by 11.
Okay, simplest form you are getting 2 by 11. Okay. Is everyone getting the simplest form 2 by 11? Okay, that means in 1 kilometer it's getting 2 by 11. It's running in 2 by 11 liters. So that means now the question is, in how much will it run? If it has to cover 1650 kilometers, how much diesel is required? So that means this much liters into this much. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So just reduce it, whatever you can reduce. Multiply with, divide with 11. If I divide with 11, 11 ones are, then 11 ones are, then 11 fives is 55, then 0. So that's 2. into 150, which is equal to 300 liters. Okay, that means to cover this much distance, 1650 kilometers, it requires 300 liters of diesel. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Everyone understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Any questions?
No, ma'am.
Nope.
Okay. Now see, Raju purchases 10 pens for rupees 150 and Manish pays 10 pens for 84 rupees. Can you say who got the pens cheaper? Now who gets the pen cheaper?
Manish.
Manish. Manish.
How?
And
How
because
can you say that?
Ma'am,
Wait,
because
find the
divided by
Raju
150 is
purchased
30.
one pen in 15 rupees and Manish in 12 rupees.
Yes. So
Yeah, ma'am.
what will you do? First, you will find the cost of one pen which Raju purchased. Okay. Then you will
Raju
find the cost of
purchased
one
one
pen
pen.
which Manish purchased. So Raju
Yeah, ma'am.
purchased one pen that is
50 rupees.
150 by 10, which is equal to 15
15.
rupees. 15 rupees. And Manish purchased 84 by.
Ma'am, Manish purchased in cheaper.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
12.
Okay. So this is 12. Right?
Ma'am,
So that means
Manish
purchased
purchased 3
cheaper
rupees less than Raju per a pen.
Okay. Okay, understood everyone?
Yeah, ma'am.
This was
Yes, ma'am.
very simple. Okay, now see question 11. Anish made 42 runs in 6 overs and Anup made 63 runs in 7 overs. Who made more runs per over? Who made
Anup.
more runs?
Teacher Anup.
Hmm?
Teacher, it was Anup. Anup.
Anup? Okay. How will you do that?
Ma'am,
You
you
will
divide
do
the
that,
overs in
teacher.
run.
We'll
Shift
simply divide it and
proportion.
see the run rate.
So you will.
Ma'am, Manish made
Teacher
7 runs in
will
1
will
over.
divide both the side and
Anup
see the
made
run
9
rate.
runs in 1 over. 1
Yes,
hour.
do it
That's
in
why
good.
Anup made more.
Teacher,
Wait.
teacher.
Fine
Ma'am,
for
Anish
one
made
second.
No, teacher,
7.
we'll see the
Ma'am,
both sides.
Anish made 7 runs in 6 overs and Anup made 9 runs in 1 over.
1 hour.
Okay. So that's how you can get who made more runs per over. So that
Anup.
is
Yes.
Anup made more
Anup
runs.
made more overs.
Teacher, because his run rate is more.
Okay.
Like this only I can tell.
Okay. Understood these?
Okay, fine.
Yes, ma'am.
So with these, we are done with all the questions of this exercise that is based on unitary method. Right? Okay. So you must try these questions, whichever questions we have not done with question with proposed method also. It will be a practice for you. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Now, okay, let's see. Now I want to show you something. Yes. So is the concepts clear now? Ratio, proportion,
Teacher.
Yes, ma'am.
method. Are the
Teacher,
concepts clear? Yes.
teacher, I might not attend the Sunday's test.
No excuse for that. You have to do.
Teacher, I have like exam paper,
Which paper?
math,
Maths.
science.
So this is a good practice for maths. It's just 6 questions.
Teacher, maths and science in one day. So,
And no problem, beta. No excuse. Please do it.
teacher, it will be added to final exam, teacher.
It's okay. That's a practice for you. Just doing just 6 questions. Okay, it's a practice for you.
Okay, teacher.
Please do. Okay, now see, I want to show you something. Let's see, please. Yes, it's a small quiz kind of.
Ma'am, 1 mark each question.
What happened?
Each question, how many marks?
Don't speak in between. I can't hear your voice now. Just look at the question. Can you see? Just show me your thumbs up if you can see the video. Okay. Don't pause the video. Do it in your books also quickly with the questions.
Ma'am, C.
Teacher, see.
Don't speak the answer. They will show you. They will show you the correct answer.
Yeah.
Make some noise for this.
60, D, 60.
Okay.
D.
One hour to 300 seconds.
Teacher, it's somewhere around 12.
A 1:12.
Versions are
12.1.
required. Yes.
2.3.
Ma'am,
Yes.
1:2, 1:2.
Yes.
1:2. 1:2. 1:2. 1:2.
Ma'am,
1:2.
because they are
A. Answer A, teacher. Yes.
Yeah.
The cost.
108.
108.
Come.
C.
G.
108.
Teacher, it's G.
Really 3 sandwiches you eat, huh?
200. D.
Everyone must put on the videos.
Ma'am, Sriteja.
Ritesh,
Ma'am,
Soumya,
Okay.
Internet was not stable, so that off my video.
Ma'am, I think it's 2:1. Yeah. I thought
Ma'am, 1:2. 1:2.
Ma'am, 1:2.
Yeah, ma'am, 1:2 only, ma'am. Pakka.
First.
Yeah.
B.
C.
All infinity.
It's
Teacher, it's somewhere around D or something. Shit.
A. I told
Z.
first one, you told last.
B.
B.
Ma'am, B.
712 is equal to.
Come on.
D.
And
I
Ah,
told. I told D.
Rishit,
But
you told
you heard
B.
it.
You
You heard
told
it as
B.
B. I told D.
No.
Smallest is 36 settings. See.
30.
No, 36. I told her.
D. D.
Ma'am,
Yeah,
8:1 C, 8:1.
Are.
Yes, good, good. Nice.
I thought
Everyone is
C.
doing nice. Good.
It was. This is.
Till now only one mistake.
Till now only one correct. I think rupees 144. I told. Only guess. 4:9.
1:3.
4:9 or 1:3?
1:3.
Anyone in this?
Ma'am, 1:3. A.
A only, ma'am.
A.
A for sure.
Yeah. I told D first. No one listens. Is it 80? Because it's looking hard.
85.
80.
What Sritej is doing? Sritej?
She's playing and nicely.
70.
I'm killing off mosquitoes.
72.
Okay. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes.
Nice.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Super, ma'am.
Wait. So the time is up now.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Hmm.
Bye, ma'am.
Okay.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you,
Bye,
ma'am.
Ritesh. Bye,
Bye,
bye.
ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Bye.
Happy Sunday.
So
Thank you,
enjoyed
ma'am.
this? Enjoyed this?
Good
Yes,
night.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Bye, beta. Bye, bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye.